Hi, my name is Dima, and today I'm going to give you a short walk through Attendia. So what is Attendia? Attendia is a fully automated customer support platform using AI agents to assist you with handling either sales or customer service type conversations with your clients. And the cool thing about Attendia is that we've been building this kind of stuff for some time for big clients, and kind of noticed that there's a lot that goes into it, especially once you go with voice, to make it human sounding, multilingual, all that stuff. We have done it over and over for big companies, but for smaller companies, solutions on the market have either not been very powerful or very slow or not very good, and we just didn't like whatever we saw. And so we took all of our kind of knowledge from our experience and put it into Attendia, the platform, and hopefully created something where just a few minutes, no code, super simple, but the end result is a really high quality AI agent that can truly fully automate your customer support. So let me show you how to get started. Let's use as an example this business, dixgamer.com, which is one of the largest e-commerce websites in its category in Latin America, and is a client of ours. Let's say, how would they get started to create an AI agent? So to create an AI agent for them, they would just put here. We support multiple languages, but let's say English for now. Support the sales, which is kind of how your agent will be tailored to trying to sell or trying to answer your query. Put this, and that's it. So to create my agent. Now our system here actually automatically goes through the DixGamer website, picks out the relevant pieces of information, creates all the configurations, kind of sets up the knowledge base, the behaviors and stuff. And so by the end of this process, you already kind of have a starting point. We didn't want you to start with nothing. This takes around a minute, even less mostly, but let's see. And that's it. Once that's done, you see your agent is already available for you to talk to, and the idea is that now that's it. You can already talk to it in voice mode, and you can talk to it in text mode, and you can ask things like, and you'll see how fast and great it is. Let's say, tell me about your business. And there you go. Okay. Yeah. What's some games you have at the moment? Some games with prices and stuff like that. But let's say I'm the business owner and I'm, not fully convinced. Maybe some of the information, maybe some of the questions that customers ask, different types and things like that. What we have done is, on top of the out-of-the-box great experience, we have a lot of configuration options that should be pretty easy for you. So once you get into the platform, you get some credits from us to start with. But let's say, okay, let's take a look. So this is my agent. There's some voices in different languages. You can
Hello, welcome to Attendia.
Stuff like this. There's some configurations. Then this is kind of your main point where all the agent behavior is defined, and we kind of help you by giving you the prompts we use on our own agent. You can kind of play around with those. So this in a real business setting, you'll play around a lot. Then you can test drive it here. Once you edit your settings, you can try it before you set it live. And then you have a few different things. You have tools, so the agent can actually, in a widget, the agent can see the current page of the user, and so the user can ask, like, I don't understand what this section means, and the agent can read it, can enable that or not. And then we have a bunch of native integrations, which I'll get into, and we have some knowledge bases. So this agent has access to website knowledge from these web pages, and you can go into the knowledge bases, and you can control those. You can see it's only 5 to start with, but you can easily, or you should easily add more before you go live. And you have, you can also upload Q&As, you can add PDF documents, etc. And then that agent can access them intelligently within the conversation. One more thing is the N8N integration that we have. So with Nathan, you can set up different kind of workflows, whatever automations you want, and your agent will be able to do it. So in our example on DixGamer, actually the agent can search the up-to-date database at any point to say that what is the current exact price of FIFA, whatever it is. Finally, we have the widget, and here you have some configuration options. You can already see the preview of how it looks. You can edit different stuff. You can do all kinds of things here. Pick whatever you want. And then once you save, all you have to do to get it live is just put a simple script onto your website, and the agent will automatically appear. And this is what those guys have done here. So they are able to now support their customers. The website is in Spanish, so we can do a real life conversation with their alarm, and you can see how fast it is in text mode. In voice mode, it's fast as well. And that's about it. So in just a few minutes, we've been able to get to a good starting point, and then you can obviously go as deep into it as you want. And you can also connect phone numbers to, if you don't want to put it in a widget, there's a lot of flexibility that we have built into Attendia, and we're very excited for you to try. Just head over to the website and put your website URL in, and within a minute you'll be able to chat with your own AI agent. Thank you.